Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This time I got this from Fashion File. So this particular piece, I've been eyeing it for quite some time. I did a little bit of research on this piece. I waited for a while for the right price, and I think the price for this is actually perfect. And I think this one is also a perfect purse for fall. So anyway, it was packaged like this as usual. And the Fashion File dust bag right here. Okay. So let me show you this shoulder bag actually, and oh my gosh, I have been checking whenever I go to the store. I always look at the bagatelle, I look at the loop bag, and also the over the moon, I think. And oh my gosh, I mean, when I saw this at the website, at a Fashion File, I said, I think this is a perfect alternative though. I don't need to spend a lot of money to be able to get that look. And besides, this bag is actually perfect for fall, and it is a carefree bag. So anyway, here comes, oh my gosh, wow, this is actually bigger than I anticipated. So this is actually a Louis Vuitton Thames shoulder bag. So it is in a size GM. So it came in with, I think, two sizes. They have the PM and a GM, and I got the GM size right here. Yeah, they're actually similar to the loop bags though, over the moon and a bagatelle, with the style of it, with a shoulder bag. It is similar, but this one is actually priced around, I think it's less than $1,000. I look at the condition were actually very good, and I still have to check the detail of it, if it is what is being described online. So I just really wanted to make it sure before I commit on actually keeping this. But looking at it right now, it seems that it is looking great. I have my ring light full blast, and I could definitely see every detail of it. So it is made up of coated canvas in the damier ebony print. And also they came in with a classic monogram as well. I love classic monogram, and if you guys have been following me on my channel, I love classic monogram, and this one is actually my least favorite. However, I am trying to build up my damier ebony collection. I only have quite a few of the azure. I'm not too crazy about it because it is just so hard to maintain the lighter color. And I think also with classic monogram version of this, it has a vachetta. The shoulder strap and the trimming is made up of a vachetta leather, the untreated leather ones. And oh my gosh, I always have issues with that to maintain. I always have to baby it. And when I saw this, they have this in the damier ebony print. It is a carefree bag. I am not gonna worry too much about staining, about the dirt, and all sorts. So anyway, this is how it looks. It has a strap right here, just one strap. It has the gold hardware. It is perfect combination. So we have the damier ebony and then the gold hardware. It does seem to look beautiful with that particular combination. It has a plate right here, and also the trimmings around this is made up of a cowhide leather. So this one is leather right here, this shoulder strap. This one is leather as well, and then the rest of the purse are made up of canvas. So let me just give you a 360 view on this bag. I like the slouchiness of it. I don't know, for some reason, that's what sold me on this bag right here. And I love the structure. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I definitely love it. And let me just, there is a little bit of scuff right here on the corner, but nothing I could say that, nothing major though. Wow, the canvas feels really thick. Wow, very nice. I love it. And also you could see that there is already some marks in the cowhide leather, and that is just part of the normal wear and tear. That's because it is smooth leather. You'll see a lot more scratches. And there are a few settings right here. I think there's only three. 1, 2, 3 holes if you wanted to adjust that bag. And also it has, let me just open this. Like, it opens like, oh wow, it is very smooth. Wow, very nice. It is very smooth. The zipper is actually smooth. So let me see. Okay, let's take a look at inside. The inside, wow. I am so impressed with the interior, with the red interior. I always love red interior, and that's another thing what sold me on this beautiful bag right here. And let me just take this one out. So this one has this gold metal pull tab right here. It's already been like, it's fading already, and I think that's just a normal wear and tear. I prefer this over the leather though. So the interior, there is, okay, there is a little bit of a fur from the dogs. I don't know. The interior is not very clean at all. There is some sort of, there is fading, there is a little bit of stained, and I think, yeah, I have to clean this if I wanted to keep it. If I can deal with the marks inside, with the staining a little bit, I have to clean this bag. But I know, I guess the previous owner has dogs, because there are some dog stuff right there. It has a little bit of a storage smell in it, which is a little bit strong. Okay, well, that is a part of buying a pre-love items, so you cannot really expect 100% that it is clean. Okay, so this one is made in France, and it has a pocket right here. There's 1, 2 pockets, and I'm not sure, maybe in the past, maybe this you could fit your phone in here, but it seems like I have a bigger phone. I have a Pro Max, so I don't think my phone would fit in there. But looking at it inside, it does seem to look like, I love the interior. Overall, the bag is pretty nice. The exterior, it is lovely, but the interior, it has some staining in it, so I have to think it over. I have to see if I could deal with that, and definitely have to clean it some few. Let me see. Okay, the trimming, there is some cracking a little bit, just a little bit on this side, but yeah, but I really love the structure of it. I really love the look of it, and it is a perfect alternative to those bags that I've actually mentioned earlier. It is less than 1,000 US dollars, and it's still beautiful. It's still gorgeous. Wow. Definitely love it though. So let me see the bottom. The bottom is pretty nice though. So yeah, right here on the inside of it, you could literally see some dirt. So that can be clean as long as there is no cracking on the canvas. But this one is made up of a really sturdy and thick canvas. So I don't think, yeah, it will crack. But then again, it is a matter of how you know, the previous owners, or you yourself, how to use your bag, how you take care of it. But so far, looking at the canvas itself, it is looking great. It has, yeah, it has some nice sheen to it. Very lovely. The piping around, just a little bit of scuff, just a little bit, nothing, just a little bit. Yeah, this one, I would say that the exterior of the purse looks lovely, and the interior, I only have a little bit of issues with it. And I don't think right now, the staining, I don't think I would be able to remove that. I honestly think. But overall, it is pretty. It is a carefree bag. It is a perfect purse for fall. And also, this is going to be, if I want to keep it, it is going to be a perfect addition to my Damier Ebene collection. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.